Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2019 Polaris RZR S 1000 with electric power steering. Has an upper front brush guard, winch. I'm going to say 40 to 50% on the front Dirt Commander 8-ply tires. It's got the full cabin closure, poly front windshield with the vents, canvas upper doors, hard lower doors, poly rear window, new 6-ply tires on the rear. Those are the Maxxis. Has the dash mount audio kit, aftermarket heater that works, 7,638 miles, 836 hours. Gonna take another video of this getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can call us at 406-232-3300.